How to earn $100 using Flipkart and Myntra products on your YouTube channel or YouTube video. Recently, YouTube launched the amazing features like a YouTube shopping that will help you to sell your Flipkart product or Myntra product, and you can sell or increase your revenue. Let's see how it works. First of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the YouTube Studio application. Now at the bottom right side you can see the earn option. Tap on earn on your device. Now here you can find the shopping option. Tap on the shopping. Now here you can see affiliate performance bonus. YouTube also add to bonus. Here you can see from November 1 to 30 earn up to $2,500 when you sell affiliate product on YouTube. You can also collection. Here you can see create collection. This option is only available if your channel must have more than 10,000 subscribers to use this feature. Here you can also connect store like Spade Shop, Spring, Forthwell if you are a USA audience. Let's see how to create a collection, and tap on a create collection. Now here you can upload an image. Give your collection title. Here we will add top products. Tap on upload a cover image. Select the image from the list. Here we select this. Tap on a save. Now here you can add description. Now you will need 3 products to get started. Tap on a plus add icon. Now here you can see the option store. Also direct search the product here. Tap the stores. Now currently only Flipkart and Myntra available, to select Flipkart, Myntra. Here we select Flipkart. Tap on apply. Now it will automatically suggest you the product, or you can also search the product here you want. So here you can see the list of product and estimate commission if available. Here you can see 8.5% commission, 2.5% commission. So select the product, any 3 first of all. After that you can add up to 30 products on your device. So whenever any of your user purchase this product, you will earn commission, and you can make $100 to up to $2,000, and also YouTube give you bonus. So select, this is quite helpful feature. Here we add this. First of all, you need to add any 3 product. Now here 3 product added. Tap on a done. Now here you can see how it looks. Product, tap on a publish. Now tap the it. Now you can see the collection. Tap on a add button. Here you can add up to 30. Search the product. Like here we select the Pixel 9 Pro. Tap the search bar icon, and you can find the related product, cases, etc. Select the any option. Here we select this case, Casiology case. Tap on a done. Now you can add up to 30 product. So anyone on YouTube channel, you can find this collection and buy. So you can get a commission on this. Tap on a publish. So quite helpful feature to earn money using YouTube shopping program on your YouTube channel or YouTube video. You can also use YouTube video, add a link to your YouTube video to affiliate and give the commission. So now open your YouTube Studio and go to the shopping tab and check if collection is available or not on your device. So just take the Flipkart or Myntra product, and you can earn commission, earn up to $100 to $2,000 using this amazing new feature. That's it. If you like it, share it.